What is the new pill for sleep apnea? If you or someone you know is struggling with sleep apnea and the hassle of using a CPAP machine every night, there's some exciting news you should know about. Let's talk about a new pill that's making waves in the treatment of sleep apnea. This new pill is called AD109, and it's been developed by a company named Apnea. AD109 is a combination of two existing drugs, aroxabutynin, which is used to treat overactive bladder symptoms, and atomoxetine, which is used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So how does it work? AD109 targets the neurological pathways that help keep the upper airway open during sleep. This is crucial because sleep apnea occurs when the airway collapses, causing breathing disruptions. By activating the upper airway dilator muscles, AD109 helps prevent these collapses, ensuring a smoother and more uninterrupted sleep. In the Phase 2 clinical trials, AD109 showed some very promising results. Patients who took the drug saw a significant reduction in their apnea-hypopnea index, AHI, which is a measure of how often someone stops breathing or has their breathing restricted during sleep. For those with mild sleep apnea, 77% of patients had their AHI scores lowered to below 10, which is considered a clinically meaningful improvement. Another important aspect is the reduction in hypoxic burden, which measures how much oxygen the patient loses during the night. Patients taking AD109 saw large improvements in this area, and they also reported less fatigue after waking up, as measured by the PROMIS fatigue score. One of the best parts about AD109 is its safety profile. In the trials, the drug had no severe adverse side effects, just some minor ones like dry mouth. This makes it a potentially attractive option for patients who are dissatisfied with or non-compliant with existing treatments like CPAP machines. AD109 is currently in Phase 3 clinical trials, which is the final stage before the FDA makes a decision on its approval. If approved, this pill could offer a simpler and more convenient treatment option for many people with sleep apnea. In addition to AD109, there's another drug that's recently been approved by the FDA for treating sleep apnea. This drug is called Zepbound, tirzepatide, and it's specifically for adults with moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea and obesity. Zepbound is used in combination with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. However, it works differently from AD109 as it's a dual agonist of the GLP-1 and GIP receptors, which are key mediators of insulin secretion and appetite suppression. Both of these new treatments represent significant advancements in the fight against sleep apnea, offering new hope for those who have been struggling with this condition for years.